Good morning, YouTube! If my makeup looks musty and dusty and really crusty, it's because I'm wearing makeup from probably over 12 hours ago. It's really good, really fun, really fresh makeup, really fresh makeup. We're also back at it doing videos at 2 a.m. because that's just what life is throwing at me. Yeehaw everybody, it is me Aliyah and welcome back to my channel. If you read the title, we're gonna just get straight to the point because it's 2 a.m. and I kind of want to go to bed. I have burps in my throat. So if you read the title of the video, today I'm turning it into an e-girl. Here is the definition of an e-girl. An e-girl is a species of emo usually found on TikTok but commonly spent time on Tumblr, can be found wearing pink eyeshadow with a large ring, little hearts and under eyes and blush nose.
Yeah.
I don't even know what it is. I have developed a bit of an obsession with TikTok recently. Jared, he was like, I'm on TikTok, and I was like sad one night and I was like, I'm gonna make a TikTok too. And I got on TikTok, and I'm not TikTok famous like Jared is, but I'm making TikToks and I have 100 followers now, so get off my D's nuts. Or there's this trend of a style or like a lifestyle, like a thing called being an e-girl, and I am confused by it because half of it looks like you're emo and the other half looks like you're like a soft, like nice little cutie patootie person. So I'm doing the cutie patootie part. It looks like it's like a mixture of both, so like we're gonna do like that today. I'm transforming into that. I feel like I'm not being funny. Hold on, let me recharge. Did it. I'm glad that I recharged. My nose contour is so stupid. It went away. Basically today we're gonna do the whole e-girl makeup. I'm gonna do the makeup, the hair, and the outfit, or at least the top half because I don't have a skirt. So basically what the makeup is like you do like a wing eyeliner, you put a heart here, and you put a bunch of blush on and like your nose and your cheeks, like right here, like rosy, like I'm 5. Kind of weird, honestly. I need some eyeshadow first because I'm currently looking like I just wiped eyeshadow off of my eye and then put primer back on and then put white back over it to set it, because that's exactly what I did. What the heck? Why is it a whole entire different color than the other eye? Is this what happens whenever it's 2 o'clock in the morning and you don't know how to be average anymore? I'm just gonna overly edit things right now so the video is funny. Ready, go. Aww. And I'm just gonna set it right like this, just on my lid with one of the colors in the palette. I don't feel like reading it, so you won't know which one it is. And I'm not sorry about it. Baby, I'm sorry. I ain't sorry. We're gonna ignore how terrible I look, okay? This is why I can't do normal looks, because I just look stupid. I just look too normal and it makes me feel ugly. I wanna look like me. And this isn't me. This is average Alyssa. I am abnormal Aliyah, okay? Abnormal Aliyah. I'm not average Allison or average what the flip ever I just said. That's the point, because average Al whatever is forgettable. Now I'm gonna draw a big wing eyeliner on my face, on my eyes, somewhere on my body. Whatever, right? Cool. I almost just said weed. Why would I say weed?
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
I love being Ariana Grande. Guys. Oh, frick this. I hate this. Alright, so for the rest of the video, I'm gonna be sitting like this. Sounds great to me. I need to freaking glue my eyebrows down really quick. AKA dip brow gel. Non-spawn, you know. I'm editing this on Wednesday night, and I have to make sure I edit it Thursday night, so I don't have to, so I have everything ready, so I'm prepared for Endgame on Friday. I want to make sure that I have everything that I need to post prepared and ready to rumble, because I don't want to be worried about anything besides worrying about whether Tony Stark is gonna make it out alive, okay? I just remember that like this video is more than me doing my makeup. I have to like literally do 2 other things after this, and now I'm kind of stressed. The longer the videos are, the more pressure and stress I feel, and the more willing I am to cry. These lashes are so beautiful. Shut up, Pinhead Larry. I'm Dirty Dan from Full House. Everywhere you look. What is that? That freaking thing. That's right, isn't it? Come on, right? I'm gonna get my blush and we're gonna go deep in on the nose. Frick. I look like Cindy Lou Who. On the apples of my cheeks. I feel like I need a little bit more. I'm gonna put a little bit more on. Like, I just don't know when. It just looks like I have blush literally everywhere. It looks like I just don't know when to stop. So that's a little bit concerning. So now I need to draw hearts on my face. Like, I need to draw like one here and one there. This is how I draw hearts on my face. I just do a crisscross. So like, I do that because this is like a rounded brush. So I go like that. And then I'm going to do it on the other side. I'm going to go like the other way. So I'm going to put on my lipstick. I'm just really scared because I have to learn a TikTok dance for this. And I'm scared of TikTok dances because they're really fun, but I just am afraid to mess them up. If you go back over it in the corners, it makes it look a lot more puckered. I feel like the gloss just made it look like less babyish. I feel like now I look... No, I'm gonna leave it because I'm not doing that again. Okay, so next is the hair. So I'm gonna change my wig in 3, 2. Now that I've changed the hair, I'm feeling a lot more like an e-girl. So I noticed that a pattern is that they'll wear their hair like in pigtails. And so I'm gonna try and do like the thing where it's like 2 pigtails like this. Okay, well, I think that worked. And tie her up like so. Okay, hey there. And then I'm using a white scrunchie because I suck. I look so cute. I should be an e-girl every day. I just honestly look good at anything. Just throw any style my way, except for ugly. Wow, that was disgusting of me. Hi. Okay, so this is the plan. Usually it's like layered clothing where it's like the turtleneck and then striped shirt, short sleeve over top of it. So I have this striped shirt that's like rainbow, so hopefully like I'll be accepted. And it says angel, and then this is gonna go underneath it, the turtleneck, and it says I'm more and it's really cool, but that doesn't matter. So let's... I'm gonna put it on. This is everything. I feel like a sausage that got packaged in like a meat package that's too small. Oh, but this is the look. Do we like this? Do we like me as e-girl? Apparently there's like a face you're supposed to be like, or like a, I don't really know. So yeah, thanks guys for watching me become an e-girl. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it was funny. I literally don't know if you even liked this video. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big old thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and smash that bell button so you're notified anytime that I post. I literally don't feel like myself. Like, I literally feel like a whole other person right now. If you want to see this look in picture form, you can follow me on my social medias. You can follow me on my Instagram at aliyqh. My Twitter is aliyqhmua. And my TikTok is aliyqhmua. Also, if you want to follow me on TikTok. That's really weird. And speaking of TikTok, here is my TikTok. Bye. You're getting to be a big boy. I'm just a kid each day I go somewhere. I love exploring and hiding. So many things to do. Each day is something new. I'll share. I hope you enjoyed that TikTok of me. I'm just so TikTok-y. So... catch me being the next TikTok star. Bye.
You get the best.